Merry Christmas on this 25th day of December 2024. We're wishing everybody a Merry Christmas from Happy Farm Urban Permaculture. And today marks the end of this documentary on banana flowering, because today we found there was no change. Today was the 16th day as we've been documenting. And this is the 13th hand. 13 banana hands in one bunch has been my dream since I started planting bananas, which is not very long time ago. And 13 was what I was wishing that I could achieve, and I thank God that I have achieved 13 hands on one bunch. Thank you, Lord. So today is the end, because even by yesterday we never thought this bunch, this hand here, was going to be anything, but from the look of it, it has some banana fingers, though not very big. But that seems to be the end of the blooming of this banana flower. So today, 16th day of documenting, we end our work on this documentary, and we thank everybody that has walked with us this journey, and we wish you again a good year ahead of you, full of food and every good thing that you desire. I desired 13 hands on one bunch, and on this day I can confess that I have achieved, and I am very, very grateful. Have yourself a good day today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and if this information has been good to you, please like and share to your friends.